In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple construction ahead sign using Microsoft Word. Whether you're organizing an event, managing a project, or simply wanting to craft a professional-looking sign, this guide will walk you through the steps to easily make this happen. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Word file. If you haven't already created a new document, now's the time to do so. Word is an incredibly versatile tool that offers a range of design features, and one of the simplest ways to make signs is by using the built-in icons. Once you're in your document, let's navigate to the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to a myriad of powerful tools and options that Word offers, including the ability to insert everything from tables and charts to pictures and icons. Now that you're in the Insert tab, let's focus on finding the right visuals for our sign. Click on the Icons option. You'll find this in the Illustrations group. The Icons feature in Word is a fantastic resource because it provides a wide selection of icon sets that you can use freely, making it much easier than having to find images elsewhere or worrying about copyright issues. You'll notice the icons are organized into categories such as people, technology, and more, but what we're looking for is something related to construction. Although the library is extensive, for this specific example, we're creating a construction ahead sign. You might want to search directly for construction-related icons. You can type construction into the search bar to quickly find what you're looking for. Word will present you with several icons that fit the description. Select the icon that best represents what you're trying to convey on your sign. Once you've chosen and inserted the icon, you can adjust its size and positioning to fit your document. Simply click on the icon to bring up the formatting handles that allow you to resize and move it around your page. Ensure the icon is prominent and easily visible, as this will serve as the focal point of your sign. And there you have it, your construction ahead sign is complete. Remember, the power of Word lies in its simplicity and versatility. With these few steps, you've managed to create an effective sign without the need for complex design software. You can further customize your sign by adding text with word art if you wish, giving it a professional touch. Feel free to experiment with different styles and layouts until your sign meets your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy guides to make your everyday tasks simpler. Happy designing!